Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to play a super fun test game to check how well you remember letters A to E. Are you ready? Let's go! I'll make a sound, and you have to guess which picture starts with that sound. Are you ready? Let's begin with letter A. Which picture starts with this sound? Apple, bear, or car? That's right. A for apple. Apple. Now listen again. Which word starts with A? Ant, elephant, crocodile. Yes, A for ant. Ant. Baba. Which picture starts with the sound balloon? Cat or corn? Correct. B for balloon. Balloon. Baba. Now tell me, B, apple or door? B. Yes. B for bee. Letter C. Which picture starts with the sound cat, donut, or elephant? Cat. That's right. C for cat. Cat. Now listen again. Which one starts with C? Cake, duck, or ant? Cake. Yes. C for cake. Cake. Letter D. Da. Which picture starts with the sound dog, cat, or apple? Dog. Perfect. D for dog. The dog. Da. Now guess duck, balloon, or crocodile. Duck. That's right. D for duck. The duck. Letter E. Which picture starts with the sound elephant, bee, or apple? Elephant. Yes. E for elephant. Elephant. Now listen again. Which one starts with E? Egg, diamond, or car? Egg. That's right. E for egg. Wow, little learners, you did amazing today. You matched all the sounds perfectly. Excellent work, kids. Keep practicing your sounds every day. See you soon with the next fun letter test after J Phonics.